Just in, explosion rocks Lagos State. Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, like this video and leave your opinions in the comment section below. A truck loaded with diesel has exploded in the Ojota area of Lagos State. The Lagos Fire Rescue Service swiftly extinguished the fire. Sharing a video on social media handle of the Lagos Fire Rescue Service on Monday, December 4, the caption reads, "Situation in Ojota is under control as the peddler truck conveying diesel inward K2 that went on flame has been extinguished." You all, what are your thoughts? Let me have them in the comment section. Details shall be available shortly. Like this video and also leave your opinions in the comment section below. I will see you all in my next video.